close till I get up. Time is barely on our side.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hi, hello, my name is Liz Rose. I do makeup tutorials on this channel. I do more dramatic, colourful makeup looks normally, but today I have a natural kind of glam spotlight halo eye. I'm doing this series, I'm calling it the Natural Glam series, so I can show my clients and people out there how to do, or to show that I can do more like natural glam than colour, you know? So yeah, toning it down a little bit with the kind of on-trend high glitter shimmer spotlight eye. If you're new here, please make sure to hit that subscribe button. Make sure to like this video if you enjoyed it, so I know. I will link some videos out there related to this one, like my other days of natural glam. If you want to see how I created this look, then please keep on watching. Okay, so I have some makeup still left over. I did go to work today, so that is why. I'm going to take a makeup wipe and just roughly go around and get rid of anything. My face feels so fresh after doing that. Okay, so now I'm going to add my moisturiser. This is the Simple Rich Moisturiser, great for dry skin if you don't want to break the bank, you know. Okay, so I'm not going to explain what I'm going to be doing because I always repeat myself, and then I repeat myself doing the intro, which I normally do after I've created the look, if you get what I mean. I just noticed my double chin. Not a good look. Anyway, yeah, I'm not going to repeat myself, so I probably mentioned in the intro. So first, I don't know whether to go in with eyes first or... Okay, I'm going to get eyes out of the way. I'm going to do eyes first. I'm going to use the Be Perfect Carnival palette. I normally use this for when I am going to be creating a colourful eye look. But today I'm going to show how you can create a natural kind of glam look for prom or graduation as well. Hit me up if you want some graduation makeup, because I have graduation this year. I know my friend wants her makeup done. I need to ask her about that actually. But yeah, I'm going to be using that palette, but first I'm going to take the P. Louise base in the shade 2.
We'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on.
Okay, so I think I'm going to start off with just one eye because I'm not really sure what I want to do yet. So first I'm going to take the shade Rodeo. Is it Rodeo? Rowdy? I'm going to take that dark brown shade and pack this in my crease.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever try.
Okay, so after that I'm going to take the shade Basic, which is the like transition shade in the palette, and I'm literally taking that shade right above that darker brown and really smoking that out.
And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
I'm going to go back into the darker brown and go in the outer corner with this, and I'm also going in the inner corner because I want a halo eye for today's look. So next for the spotlight, I'm going to go in with Sinner. I think this is a perfect like base shadow, as we are going in with a pigment, of course. This would actually be really nice on its own. I'm actually taking this quite high up. I love the shimmer that goes quite high these days. Okay, so next we're going in with the pigment. This is the Peaches and Cream pigment in the shade Nude. It's like an unusual shade. It looks completely different in the pot. I hope you can see that. Just taking it on my finger. It's so finely milled. I love it. You get such less fallout. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is line my upper lash line with a black liquid liner, just a rough sketch. And I think I'm going to go on top with the dark brown that we took, just so it's not too harsh. And I'm going to smoke this out. I absolutely love the smoked out look lately. Okay, so I do want it a little bit darker. I have made a decision. I am going in with a black eyeshadow. Any black eyeshadow will do. Okay, so I'm going to wipe under my eye because there was a bit of fallout. So I'm going to go off camera, do the other eye, and I will be right back. I'm going to go in with primer, and OG. This is the Nivea Daily Essentials 24-hour Moisture and Express Primer. Love this. I absolutely love the smell of it as well. My go-to. And I'm not going to be shy with this because it is a very nice hydrating moisturizer slash primer. If you know, you know I have dry skin. Oh, the smell of this is lovely. Don't go neglecting that neck now. I'm so jealous of people who have gone to Coachella. Oh my god. I want to do like a Coachella reaction video. Like, you know, people have been doing, I've been seeing a lot of Coachella like reacting videos. Let me know if you want to see that because they're quite funny, them types of videos. So for foundation today, I'm going to go in with the L'Oreal True Match. I do have this in my kit. By the way, I do try to use as much products as I have in my kit, but some products I don't have personally, and I'd rather not use my kit makeup just because, you know, that's for my clients. I do use the pigments because I ain't got enough money to buy two different, you know, pigments. But anyway, I really like this foundation. It's good for like all skin types, I would say. It has got kind of a glow to it, but not like too much that you can't wear if you have oily skin. I just set it with Laura Mercier powder, translucent powder.
Life along the way, melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest. Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't want to miss a beat. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on.
Where's my concealer? Okay, so then I'm going in with the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade 05. Really like this concealer. It's really like lightweight under the eyes, but it gives you good coverage. And I have a hair on my nose. I have quite a lot of blemishes as well lately, and I don't know what's going on. I'm not here for it. Before I blend that out, I'm going to go in with the Rimmel, what's this called? Insta Juice Contour Stick in the shade Light. I really am enjoying cream contour lately. Just putting this in the usual contour places. I'm going to blend that out with a sponge.
We'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Okay, so next I'm going to set my under eyes and like my smile lines and my T-zone with the RCMA No Colour Powder. And I'm going to pop that on a sponge. I've only just come to realise that it's okay to not use too much powder on the face, especially when you have dry, kind of normal to dry skin. I just use it on the places I need it, and then I add bronzer and stuff to set my other parts of my face, because other than that I really don't need it. Next I'm going to go in with the Revolution and Imagination highlight palette. This is what it looks like here. So the first shade I'm going to go in with is Literally, which is this shade here. Okay, so I think we're just going for the bronze look today because I've got blush and I can't really be bothered to get up. Now I'm going to set my face with the MAC Fix Plus in the shade Gold Light. This will give your face a very luminous look. So if you don't want that, then step aside and just use the normal MAC Fix Plus. Ooh. I love the smell of Fix Plus. Okay, so I'm going to go in with a highlight that I haven't actually used yet, but I'm dying to use. It's the Anastasia Beverly Hills So Hollywood highlighter. I'm not sure if they sell this anymore. I swear I heard James Charles say that they've discontinued it or something, like they don't sell it anymore. I'm going to use this. If it's too dark, I'm going to go in with a little bit of the Mary Luminizer. Oh, bitch. Yeah. I'm loving the glowy look lately, so I'm gonna whack this on. Am I blinding yet? Can you see me from space yet? I really like this highlight for probably if I was tanned, but for my skin tone at the moment and like this bronzy kind of look, I think it is quite nice. You just need to go in the light a bit more, you know. I don't think I'm gonna add the Mary Luminizer, but I'm gonna add this into my inner corner. I'm gonna spray my brush. I think I am gonna add a little bit of Mary Luminizer in the inner corner just to brighten it a little bit more. Like so. Hopefully you can see that, because my highlight doesn't really come up. Okay, so now under the eyes. So I'm going to take, really simple, just the same shades we took in the crease, and then I'm going to go in with a little bit of black. I think I'm going to go in with it now. I'm just going to take a black pencil liner, line my waterline and my upper waterline. Okay, so first I'm going to go in with the lighter crease shade and really smoke this out. You can hear laughing in the background. That is my brother. I don't know what the hell he is doing. Now I'm going to go in with a little bit of the darker brown. Make sure that's blended with the outer corner. And then I'm going to add a little bit of the black eyeshadow, if I can open it, just to blend the black liner that we put in the waterline. Just smoking that out slightly. Okay, so all I got to do next for the eyes is apply mascara and lashes. So the lashes I'm going in with are the Tattoo Lashes in tlmitchell. Of course, we're going full ham. Also, I need to do my eyebrows. Completely forgot. So I'm going to do this and I will be right back. Okay, so lashes are on. Bottom lashes are on. All we have now is the lips. So I know for prom, most probably everyone... Wait, I haven't done my eyebrows still. Be right back. Okay, so I've done my eyebrows, finally. Okay, so last but not least is lips. So as I was trying to say, I believe that a nude lip is going to be essential for prom, graduation, night out kind of makeup. So I'm going to go in with the MAC lip liner in the shade Strip Down. Just your classic nude shade.
Through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go. Through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Okay, so then for gloss, I'm going to go in with the P. Louise Holler Gloss. I believe there's only one of these, so there's not a shade name. Would have been helpful, but can't have it all. Okay, so that is the finished look. I really hope you enjoyed it. Quite a simple yet glamorous look for pretty much all occasions, hopefully. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to subscribe before you leave, and also like this video if you enjoyed it. Make sure to stay tuned for more natural makeup like this. I will link some relative videos up there, and everything I used will be listed and linked down below in the description box, so go check that out. I always make sure to do that so it's easier for you guys to see the products and buy the products maybe that I use. I love you to the moon and back, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.